Well, good morning. It's the 1st of April, and as we come in this Monday morning, we're seeing some stability in the grain market. Cotton market's down a small amount. Global stock markets are doing very well off economic news coming out of China that's positive. But going back to Friday with the global, with the quarterly grain stocks and also planting intentions, we would break it down this way. A surprising bullish number for planting in cotton. It was below everyone's expectations and the market reacted. And then on the grain side, it was a surprisingly negative number for corn, and corn seemed to suck everything down with it, or at least in the case of soybeans and wheat. The wheat number was a little negative, although the market did sell off. And the bean number was actually a little positive, but the market tried to rally, could not sustain a rally because, like I said, the negative nature of corn was so negative it just pulled everything down with it. We're seeing stability today. Before we get to that, the Asian stock market's closed up. Europe is up, and the U.S. stock market's up 193 points right now. Nothing unusual elsewhere. We do have economic news coming out of China over the weekend that was positive, so that's part of the reason global stock markets are up. We've got Chinese Vice Premier Liu comes to Washington this weekend, a continuation and progress being made with a trade agreement. Do not know if an agreement is around the corner, but certainly progress is being made, and I think the market is favorable to that. One last thing about cotton. Based on the commitment of traders, we now see that the big funds that have been short cotton for some time have now liquidated those positions, and it could be now they are in a position to start building long positions. All that's very positive for cotton. Let's just go to the markets and see where we are right now. Cotton in May is down 2 at 77.59. The low is 77.18. The high is 77.73. May soybeans up 5 1/4 at 889 1/4, a high of 890 and a low of 883 3/4 for May soybeans. May corn up 2 1/2 at 359, a high of 361, a low of 356 1/2. May wheat up 1 at 458 3/4, and we've got a high of 460 1/2, a low of 456. Crude oil is up 75 cents a barrel at 60.89 for May crude. The dollar down 17. Gold and silver are down. Gold down $3 an ounce. Silver down 6 cents an ounce. The stock market, or the Dow Jones Futures Index that is currently trading, is currently up 219 points. So that's it. Could have an interesting week this week as we follow through from last Friday's numbers and start looking at the latest trade talk. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.